VAT payments and refunds. VAT payments and refunds are important aspects of VAT accounting for businesses. VAT payments. When a business sells goods or services that are subject to VAT, the business collects VAT from the customer and must remit that VAT to the tax authorities. This means that the business is responsible for paying the VAT on its sales to the tax authorities, usually on a monthly or quarterly basis. VAT refunds. On the other hand, if the VAT paid on purchases exceed the VAT collected on sales during a particular period, the business may be entitled to a VAT refund. This means that the tax authorities owe the business a refund for the excess VAT paid. You can access this function from Accountants area, VAT, select VAT payments and refunds. You can select the period. You can view report by VAT period or date. You can select the VAT period. By clicking next, you can go to the details. You can select the date. You can select bank account. You can select or you can type reference and you can type description. Click next button. You can complete the VAT payment or refund by clicking finish button. After you complete the payment, system will display VAT payment or VAT refund.